So today we've got a new package from Steeda and we are going to be unboxing it very soon and showing you what it is. Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Thank you for tuning into another video. If you're new to the channel, thank you for stopping by. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. So today we're going to be looking at what's inside this box that was just sent to us by Steeda. I feel like the mods just never end. You always want to do more and more. I remember when I got the car, I was like, I'm going to keep it stock. 460 has plenty of horsepower. The stance looks much better than the S197 Mustang. But here we are doing lots of mods with the anticipation of the S650 Mustang. If you guys have been following on the recent videos, we got the Michelin Pilot Sport All Season 4 tires, a 285 square setup. And of course, as you can see here, we have the LMR SVE SB2 wheels, which are pretty much a replica Performance Pack 2 wheels. Now, Steeda has been on the build. We have gotten some lowering springs, as you can see right here. I got the springs over here, which are about an inch drop for front and rear. So the stance looks much better now. You can see it's kind of like on a decline right now, but the stance is pretty good. I absolutely love how the car looks with the Steeda springs. And the thing is, with this car, it's got 460 horsepower, which is plenty. I'm coming from a 300 horsepower car, so for me, it's a lot of horsepower. What this car really needs is suspension, so I'm going to be doing a lot more suspension mods to be able to put the power down. If you guys have watched the video recently, I did take it to a drag strip, and numbers weren't what I was kind of expecting. I ran like a 12.7 was my best. I posted a video so you can take a look at it. But the problem is, obviously, it's all-season tires, which are obviously affecting my time. But also, the car needs to put the power down a little bit better, so some suspension work can help with that. And honestly, Steeda has been one of those top companies that's got a lot of suspension mods, so I plan on doing a lot more suspension stuff from Steeda, so that's going to be really good. That's going to be on the car. But let's take a look at what Steeda sent us today. Alright, so let's see what Steeda sent us. It looks like some sort of a banner. I'm really excited to be taking a look at what's inside it, and let's see. That's some. This is just packing, and we have, looks like a windshield banner. Yep, that looks like a windshield banner for the Mustang. It's gonna go right over there. I can kind of see it. It's red too, so it's gonna match the car as well. Let's take a look at how this one looks. So the story behind it is that, of course, I've got the Steeda lowering springs, and I've been extremely impressed with the lowering spring. It maintains a very stock-like ride quality while maintaining or giving me the look that I was really after in terms of lowered look. So honestly, they're making really good products, and like I said, the car has plenty of power for me right now. I am going to be doing some power modification, but I feel I need to learn how to put the power down better, and tires and suspension are one of them. One of the key things that you can do to make it happen. So naturally, I do want to support Steeda. Their products have been awesome, and I'm probably going to be putting more products in terms of, I've been looking at their strut bar, the Stop the Hop kit. That's going to definitely help at the drag strip. So I reached out to them. As you guys have noticed, I have been doing some videos from my garage, and I feel like the garage looks kind of empty in the background. So I figured it'd be really nice to get a windshield banner and also a garage banner that can go right over there. So while currently I just have their lowering springs, nothing else being done on the car yet, I do plan on getting the Stop the Hop kit and also maybe a front strut over there. The Stop the Hop kit is definitely going to help with the drag times, and I feel like Steeda has done a great job in providing the quality parts at also an affordable price, because that's one of the things. Suspension is a crucial thing for your car. You get like cheap products without quality, it's gonna mess up the ride. I've seen people running, eBay springs and all of that, and they will get the look that they want for the car, but the ride quality is gonna be so terrible. I mean, it's already a stiff ride to begin with. You get some cheap coilovers, cheap lowering springs, and your ride is pretty much gone. So Steeda makes very affordable products, and they also have amazing quality behind their products. With that being said, let's see how this banner looks. I'm really excited because that is going to be going right around there with where the exhaust is, and that's where the banner can go, like somewhere around here. I got so many stock parts laying around. I got the exhaust, the springs, I got the spoiler here as well. who knows, maybe more stock parts, which is a good thing because that means I'm modifying the car, so I don't mind that. All right, I put it on the hood and the banner looks awesome. Look at that, Steeda, Speed Matters. You've got 2 Mustangs. You've got a 2018 and up and also a 2015 to 2017. These are actually Steeda cars. Honestly, I was only expecting like a Steeda logo when I asked them for the banner, but this is really cool to be having 2 Mustangs, Speed Matters, all of that. It just looks very good. I honestly cannot wait to put it in the garage, and that's gonna be the background of the new videos, guys. That's gonna be so exciting. Look at that. These cars just look amazing. It kind of also gives you, whoa, and it came down. It's a little windy today, but you saw how it looks. Now let me go ahead and put it and see how it looks actually in the garage, so it can be the background of the new videos. Well guys, so we finally have the banner up. I absolutely love it. We've got all the stock parts, then you got a banner. I'm gonna start doing more stuff in the garage too, just kind of putting more Mustang or Shelby stuff in there. Definitely want to support Steeda because their springs have been amazing to me. I was very, not skeptical, but I was kind of afraid that if I lower the quality or if I lower the height, I'm gonna run into some issues with the ride quality. And it's my daily driver. And I spoke to the Steeda representative on the forums, and they've assured me, and plenty of people vouch for them, and I can see why now, that you know the products are amazing, really good quality stuff, and best of it is that they're affordable. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know in the comments below what Steeda mod I should be doing next on my Mustang, in terms of, especially if you've modded your Mustang a lot, you probably know what's going to be best bang for your buck versus all out performance. I'm leaning towards the Stop the Hop kit because I do plan on taking it back to the drag strip, and maybe some shocks and struts as well. So that's going to help with better ride quality, firm up the suspension a little bit, so it's going to help with the handling as well. And Stop the Hop kit is obviously going to help with the drag strip times, hopefully. So comment below if you have done a lot of suspension mods, even if it's not Steeda. Just let me know what suspension mods have really given you the best bang for your buck on these S550 Mustangs. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. There it is. I can see it. That's gonna be really nice to be able to see the Steeda banner in the background. Maybe I'll do a little bit more, like get a Shelby or Mustang one, but it looks very good. Excited to be part of the video's background from now on. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash that like button. Comment below what suspension mods I should be going for next, and of course, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.